Here we are given alpha beta are roots of x square minus px plus q equals 0. We need to find sum of squares of these roots and sum of cubes of these roots. But we know sum of the roots. The formula for sum of the roots is minus b by a. Ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of the roots is minus b by a and sum of the roots is c by a. What we want? Sum of squares and sum of cubes. Let us just modify these two terms alpha square plus beta square in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. For example, like this. Alpha square plus beta square is what? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, right? Because 2 alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta will become alpha square plus beta square. Now what is alpha plus beta? Is p, right? Because sum of the roots is minus b by a. Minus b is p. A is anyway 1. And product of the roots is q by 1. Right. So here we have converted this into alpha plus beta p square minus 2q. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to p square minus 2q. Now a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube we already know is a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. Right. We already know this formula also. Here also we have got a plus b. Right. And this one, again, a square alpha square plus beta square. We can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Right. This is what we have written. So this one becomes alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus another alpha beta, which is minus 3 alpha. So alpha plus beta times alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta is again here sum of the roots is p, product of the roots is q. So this becomes p times p square minus 3q. This is just simple algebraic manipulation. Just that we should know how to write a cube plus b cube in terms of a plus b and ab. That's it. If you are able to write that, here we are able to write this and we are sorted. Right, just that we have to write a cube plus b cube or a square plus b square in terms of a plus b and ab. Right, yes. Thank you.